And so do you, Alice. I want to be able to slide as fast as I can into my spot. Beautiful.
Oh, I messed up.
Fine, it's fine, it's fine.
It's actually over. I can't pick up. My bad.
You're so hard, Nano. Sorry, Alex.
Alex, tell us when you have your
time.
second one ready.
I have my second one ready. Hold on.
Let me pick one up. I was just doing trap.
Yep, there you go.
Let me get.
Hey, there's one under the stage I'm gonna go for it, Bravo, so don't park behind me.
Good.
Yeah, go.
Good.
If I could pick this one up, we could get a full. No. Oh my god, it just cleaned that up this.
Yes, yeah, I'll clean it up now.
Then when you shoot one over to me, if possible.
There's one right here.
Yeah.
Might as well grab this
Oh,
one.
there's-
'cause I
yeah,
can't
there's
hit
one right
for
there.
reason.
Okay. Just leave those two there. Leave those two there because when we get amp, we just.
Oh yeah.
We'll.
Ready for
Is that your first or second?
Second.
Oh, I'm gonna send a couple back to your side of the field.
No, just come back.
I have a second.
Okay.
Oh my god, whoops.
Good.
Just drop. We have 3 here. Drop.
Go. Oh my god, mine's got hit. 61 with a minute left is insane.
Sorry.
My bad.
We kind of threw an auto as well. Okay, I'm gonna finish up trap notes here real quick.
Yeah.
Probably if you want to get one of them.
Sure.
I think I have time for one more. Here's my first one.
Oh my god, this is selling. Oh my god, it's just stuck in the thing. Can someone hit it? Or like,
Yeah, I got it.
massive. Yeah.
Alright, second delivery.
Got it.
Okay.
I got my note almost ready here. Okay, yeah, we're good.
I could get a second one.
I'm gonna go climb.
Yeah, go ahead. I got a second one. Nice.
Oh, I went for it, but I missed it.
Harmonize.
Yeah, just get him left side climb right now, and I'll up in a sec.
Oh!
108. How did we do better last game? What?
Yeah, how did we do better last game? What did we do? What did we do? We got less speaker notes.
Oh.
What?